just woke up a few minutes ago. It is 9:40 now. We have an errand to run. I think we will be meeting Pranoy for the errand, so that's nice. Then we have some content to shoot for Instagram. I have another video to shoot, but I'm thinking if I should do it today or not. Now I am going to go make lemon honey water, and while that cools down a little because it really boils the water a lot, I am going to work out. Want to talk about this. So these are the Snaf and coffee sprinkles, and they come in like a bunch of flavors. Currently I bought the toffee nut crunch one, like the single pack, but I've tried all, and man, I mainly had them in the winter time when I was having hot coffee. Summertime it's cold coffee all the way. So they taste so amazing in like whipped coffee. Oof, really good. I just want to show you, like I'll even pop it on the screen. So they have the assorted one, which has, so they have French vanilla, toffee nut crunch, autumn spice, which is really good, chocolate marshmallow, and silky hazelnut. Chocolate marshmallow you're supposed to, I think, put in simple milk to make hot chocolate. So I just showered. Clearly I am going to do my skincare. I've been really enjoying doing my brows. Now I talk. I've been really enjoying doing my brows. Like, I have this one by Benefit, the brow gel pot, and you just take like a very tiny bit on angle brush, very little, like very little, because I already have like dark dense-ish brows, so I don't want to make them more dense. I just want to fill them in a little and make them not look unruly. So we are now out on our errand. Should we? Yeah, very expensive errand.
It's not like something very exquisite because, you know.
Yeah, but see, these things don't happen every day or even every year.
Yeah, but for like for us, sort of.
I really need you to take off your mask.
No.
Please.
It's sort of for like us people. It's like, oh my god, man.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'll just give you a story when we're unboxing what we're going to get.
Please guys, like this video, share it to your friends. She owes me royalty for being in one of these videos. That's why I don't come on very frequently. There's a lot of back payment also.
Finally we are on. Woo!
This has to go in the vlog.
Sorry about that. Finally we are on our way. I hope the angle is nice.
Do it, like finish it.
Yeah, so Errand completed. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
It's not my errand, it's his errand.
I need a support monkey.
Yeah, always. The setup is done and I am actually back home now. I have been catching up on some admin work. I have some emails to respond to and I wanted to do it from the phone, but for some reason my signature is missing from my phone, email signature. So I'm just taking care of some emails and I have a phone call which I have to take in a bit. Would you like to work with me? Yes? Yes? Would you like to work with me? Okay. So Prino, I had bought the Apple desktop, 21-inch one. And what happened was that I think something was just wrong with the software or I don't know. There was some issue with it that in 2 days, it would not switch on, which was very sad. So he got in touch with Chroma and stuff, and this happened when it was still lockdown before the 8th. So he had to wait till the stores open up because they have a policy that you have to take it to the store and so that they can check it out there and then and take a call. So there is no store open. So you have to wait. So we waited till the 8th. So we obviously had to see a store. Hey! Now! We had to see a store that was closer to where we live. We had to wait longer. We went and gave the 21-inch desktop, which had the issue, to them about 2 to 3 days ago. They said that no, this is a faulty piece and we would have to exchange it. So he got to know that there is a deal running on the 27-inch one and there was just a very nominal difference in the two. And he said that can you upgrade it to the 27-inch, and they said they were like obviously they'll be happy to. So they did, and we went and got the 27-inch one today, which is actually good because the 21-inch desktop would have had to be shipped from somewhere else, so that would have taken about 7 days. And this one they had available in store, so we were like, let's just not we actually, he was like, yeah, let's just, we'll upgrade it. We actually are working on some very exciting projects together. I'm going to walk Hazel. Hours I have been at my desk. I was doing some admin stuff and now I am actually working on creating a quiz. So my friend, you may have watched her in one of my previous vlogs, Tanushri, she hosted like this quiz night, virtual quiz night for all of us, and it was so much fun. So I'm in the middle of creating a quiz to host one. So it's been a while since I last spoke to you guys. Currently I'm having the Epicamia Greek yogurt in blueberry flavor. I'm making some sandwich for myself with toast, chutney and tomatoes. just finished filming tomorrow's video. Today is Wednesday. It's Friday's video on YouTube. I think it's gonna be the one before this one. I hope it has come out well. It's on organization and the tips that work for me, etc. It is the next day, and yesterday I just stopped filming very abruptly and I had like a crazy late night. I'm going to be doing some Instagram content. I want to first decide what kind of content I want to click today, but I feel like I need to do some like not creative, but I don't want to do like close-up face shots right now because those kind of happen when I already like put up an IGTV. I have my face shots then, but I want to do like outfits. I want to do some creative jewelry, shoes maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. So I just finished shooting a bunch of Instagram content. I literally ended up clicking only pictures that do not have my face in them. I just walked Hazel and came back, and I am actually going to be doing a manicure, and I am going to be ending this vlog today here because I plan to do it for one day and it did not pan out as I thought it should. Anyway, that's fine. I am going to be doing a manicure. I've had this color on for a while and it's chipping from everywhere, so I need to do something about that. So I'm going to now get into that, and I'm actually going to show you how I do it and the products I use.